Socioeconomics is the social science that studies how economic activity affects and is shaped by social processes. In general, it analyzes how societies progress, stagnate, or regress because of the local or regional economy, or the global economy. Overview. Socioeconomics is sometimes used as an umbrella term with different usages. The term social economics may refer broadly to the use of economics in the study of society. More narrowly, contemporary practice considers behavioral interactions of individuals and groups through social capital and social markets, and the formation of social norms. In the latter, it studies the relation of economics to social values. A distinct supplemental usage describes social economics as a discipline studying the reciprocal relationship between economic science on the one hand and social philosophy, ethics, and human dignity on the other, towards social reconstruction and improvement, or as also emphasizing multidisciplinary methods from such fields as sociology, history, and political science. In criticizing mainstream economics for its alleged faulty philosophical premises and neglect of dysfunctional economic relationships, such advocates tend to classify social economics as heterodox. Paul Doran, the former governor of Washington, remarked that socioeconomics, in essence, create profundities that preclude the convalescence of the people and time to create the bonheur of true litigation. Therefore, iconoclasm becomes greatly promulgated, an effect of different economic doctrines and policies, e.g., social versus liberal, on socio-economic situation of some particular group of people is also being constantly argued at different levels of societies. Nevertheless, regarding economic freedom, overwhelmingly research shows that although it has its negative effects, especially in a shorter term, e.g., the face of increasing inequality, overall trends are indicative that countries with higher levels of economic freedom have not only higher gross domestic product per capita and its growth rates, but also have better health care, education system, environment protection, as well as greater income equality, and maybe above all, happiness results. These trends of increasing prosperity with augmenting economic freedom are confirmed even when we compare them within different territories or countries. In many cases, socioeconomists focus on the social impact of some sort of economic change. Such changes might include a closing factory, market manipulation, the signing of international trade treaties, new natural gas regulation, etc. Such social effects can be wide-ranging in size, anywhere from a local effects on a small community to changes to an entire society. Examples of causes of socio-economic impacts include new technologies such as cars and mobile phones, changes in laws, changes in the physical environment, and ecological changes. These may affect patterns of consumption, the distribution of incomes and wealth, the way in which people behave, and the overall quality of life. The goal of socio-economic study is generally to bring about socio-economic development, usually by improvements in metrics such as GDP, life expectancy, literacy, levels of employment, etc. Although harder to measure, changes in less tangible factors are also considered, such as personal dignity, freedom of association, personal safety and freedom from fear of physical harm, and the extent of participation in civil society.